Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I watched an old classic British gangster film from 1967 called Villain. In this film, there's basically a group of gangsters, a gang of gangsters, I guess, who make their money through protection rackets. They get restaurants and bars to pay them, and they threaten to damage their properties if they don't get the money. One day, they get a tip-off. They get told about something that's going on, and they decide to try and attempt a heist. They try to rob a van that's taking wages, taking lots of money, to a factory out near where they live. Now, they're not bank robbers, they're not robbers by trade, they're basically thugs who extort money from businesses. And at the end of the film, this attempt to rob this van full of money all goes terribly wrong. In fact, it's the most ham-fisted attempt at a robbery I think I've ever seen in a movie. If you talk about a ham-fisted attempt, you mean that it's done in a very clumsy, very unskilled way. So maybe somebody might make a ham-fisted apology. They start out trying to apologise, and as they're trying to apologise, they make everything worse by doing it in an incredibly clumsy, unskilled way. The government might handle a particular problem in a very ham-fisted way. If you've ever taught your kids to tie ties, maybe you've got a son and you've tried to teach him how to tie a tie, how to put a tie on, you might end up getting the giggles when you see his ham-fisted attempts. And maybe if there's been a crime, there might be criticism of the ham-fisted police hunt for the perpetrators of the crime. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use ham-fisted.